Okay, we're going to look at these four symbols, just a very quick intro to what these four symbols mean and how we can display some information about them. So this is less than. This is less than or equal. This second line here looks a bit like an extra equal sign. So this is a strict less than. This is a less than or equal. This is a strict greater than. This is a strict greater than or equal. So to read that as a sentence, we could write something like 10 is less than 15. That's how you read that. 10 is less than 15, and in this case that's true. We could also try something like 12 is bigger than 12, and that's not true. 12 is not bigger than 12. That is a lie. And the last one, I'm going to show you this difficulty, which is not very difficult. Something like negative 3 is less than or equal to negative 3. And that's true. Negative 3 is less than or equal to negative 3. So, one of the things you have to do with these is to link them to a number line, and there's a set of rules on how we write these into number lines. So let's say we've got some unknown that we will call z, and z is greater than 153. So that's what we've been told. Where on the number line could z be? Well, it could be a lot of places, but we know one place that's important is 153. So let's put our bit of the number line with 153 on it somewhere. So this is our number line. Extends in both directions. And this place here is important, 153, because that's the value in the statement. So we're going to mark that with a circle. And z is greater than 153. Well, greater than means bigger. It's all this stuff in this direction. So z is over there. And that's how we display that on a number line. Z is bigger than 153. It's just a simple indication, but from 153 upwards, that is where z is. Now, if I were to change this ever so slightly to include that, this would now say z is bigger than or equal to 153. So 153 would be allowed. To show that on here, this would become coloured in. And that's the only difference. We could do something with the less than as well. So let's do y is less than negative 3.7. So we're told y is smaller than that. We'll get our number line. Again, we'll need negative 3.7 on it somewhere. Don't forget which way is up when you're in the negatives. That can cause some confusion. But that again is our number line. This is the important place. Now if it is less than negative 3.7, that means further down, further below 0, which is that direction. So y is the number line over there, in that direction. And that's it. So if it has an extra coloured in thing, an extra line here because it's equal, you colour it in to show that this number's allowed. If it's empty, it means this number's not allowed. And the arrow shows you which direction we're keeping. Here we've got a greater than, so we're keeping the stuff which is bigger. Here we've got a less than, so we're keeping the stuff which is smaller. And that's it. That's how you stick these numbers on a number line. Enjoy.